Hello everyone, it's Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am very excited to put out this video today. You've seen on my channel I've reviewed just a handful of items. A lot of companies reach out to me to review things on my YouTube channel, but if it's not something that I would normally purchase on my own, or something I think that you all would like to see, I usually say no. But this company, Simply Earth, reached out to me. They have a monthly essential oil recipe subscription, and I was super excited to try it out. So this is just going to be kind of an unboxing and review. I'm going to film another video of me making the recipes that are in this box. So stay tuned for more information about that. So Simply Earth, it is an essential oil company. What makes them different is they take out the middleman. So they work directly with the farmers in other countries where these essential oil plants are grown. They take out that middleman so that they can sell these oils to us at much cheaper prices. So they are still 100% pure, therapeutic grade oils, and I'm super excited. I think this is a very unique idea. There's a lot of monthly subscription boxes out there. This is one that I would definitely use every single month. So yeah, let me just tell you first of all what comes in the monthly subscription box. The subscription is $39 a month. You can cancel it or pause your subscription at any time. And what you get for that $40, first of all, free shipping in the US. They do ship worldwide, but only free shipping in the US. In each monthly box, you receive 4 full-size essential oils. You receive 6 natural recipes of different things you can make using those, and other items that you might need. So this is the November 2019 subscription box. They did send this to me for free to review. I did not purchase it. However, I would gladly pay $40 for this. So let me show you what you get in each box. First of all, some cards. I'll tell you about the cards in just a moment, but here are the 4 oils that come in the November box, and these are, yes, 15 ml oils. So these are the big size. You get a Tranquility blend, which let me tell you what oils that is made of. I don't know if I can show it. Okay, this has spikenard, lemon, patchouli, sweet orange, and ylang ylang. I'm not sure how you say that, but Tranquility blend. Other companies, probably like a Peaceful blend, something like that. Then you have 3 oils. You have eucalyptus, which is one of my favorite smells, lime, which is probably my second favorite, and cinnamon. So with these 4 oils, they give you 6 recipe cards of what you can make. So just in no particular order, this first one, you make a chai tea bath salts. Okay, I'll go over the back in just a moment. Lavender buds and Tranquility milk bath. I'm super excited about this. Eucalyptus shower steamers. Oatmeal and milk bath. A lime and eucalyptus roll-on. I love carrying roll-ons in my purse. I have a bunch of different ones that I've put together over the years. And a Tranquility and lime diffuser blend. I can almost smell it now. This is going to be amazing. So along with your 6 recipe cards, they also give you stickers to label the tops of your bottles and the items that you're going to make when you create the recipes. Okay? The other items that they gave you in this November box so that you have more of the supplies you need to make the recipes: powdered whole milk, dried lavender flowers, and a little, I think it's called like a sachet bag. All right, so that all comes in the November box. Now I'll come back to the back sides of these cards. When you subscribe, this is super exciting. If you use my code MONARCHMOMFREE, and this will be in the description box below, you will pay $40 for your first box, and with your first box, you get the bonus box. let me tell you what is in the bonus box. And I think this is just a genius idea because they want you to be able to use these oils even after you make the 6 recipes. So they give you, let's see what all's in here. I believe these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 empty bottles that have a roller ball in the top. Okay, so these are to make your little roll-ons. Depending on what you're making and using it for, you would rub it behind your ears, the back of your neck, things like that. All right, you also have to make diffuser blends and to put them in 6 of these smaller bottles. Awesome. What else is here? Beeswax. I've never used beeswax before, but I'm sure there'll be instructions. And then you have your carrier oils. So if you're not familiar with essential oils, you never want to just drop it on your skin. You need a carrier oil, 100% pure, that's going to help absorb the oil into your skin so that you can get the therapeutic benefit. So they're giving you 4 ounces of almond oil, 4 ounces of coconut oil. You'll use those when you create blends. And then this is 12 ounces of, I think this is the heart, you know, like it'd be like a lotion consistency. Oh, 2 layers of paper. All right, I might have to get some scissors or see if my nail, there we go. I just want you to see. Okay, it kind of looks like Noxzema if you ever used Noxzema, but this is 100% coconut oil. You can also, if you're wanting to make some sort of lotion type of thing, you would mix it with this. Okay, so all of that at no extra charge comes in the bonus box when you place your first month subscription order. Awesome. The other thing that you get if you use my MONARCHMOMFREE code is you get a $40 gift card to use on your second box or a future purchase. So I think that is fabulous. Let me see what else I can tell you. And I will put all of this information in the description box, so if you didn't catch it the first time. On the backs of the recipe cards, okay, there's a little note from one of the founders. Actually, she is the recipe formulator and certified aromatherapist. So she's talking about the theme for this month is kind of bath, shower, relaxation type of theme. Here's how it works. If you sign up for the monthly subscription, you get your big bonus box, and then you'll also get that gift card I was telling you about. This is just a card that tells you everything that you're getting in the November box, the 4 oils. Those 4 oils alone, it says, would cost $112 from another company. You get the recipes and you get all the extras to make the recipes. What I love about using essential oils is I want to try to eliminate or drastically reduce the number of toxic chemicals that are in my house without it costing me a fortune. So I'm very excited about that with Simply Earth. There is a Facebook group for Simply Earth with other ideas, things you can do with the oils in your monthly box. Okay. Another great thing about Simply Earth is every month, 13% goes to some organization that is fighting human trafficking. This month it is the Daughter Project, so it gives you a little bit more information about that. And I'm very excited. They give you a preview of the next month's box. So next month is December. The theme is going to be gift giving. Okay, it's talking about different homemade gifts you can make. The oils will be mandarin, pine scotch, peppermint, and candy cane blend. Looks like we'll be making some sort of lip balm, a room spray, sugar scrub. Ooh, I am very excited about that. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about any of this. Like I said, I will do my best to summarize all of this in the description box. Let me know if you order and if you try it out, and keep watching in the next few days for a video of me making the 6 recipes from this recipe box. Thanks so much, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll do that. We are very, very close to 20,000 subscribers. I'm so excited to be there in less than 1 year, and it's all because of you guys and your awesome support of my channel. All right, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY saying, see you next time. Bye-bye.